Is your Instagram profile feeling a bit stale? It's time for a refresh. Your feed might be due for an update, and your bio could use a spark of excitement. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In the next few minutes, I'm going to guide you through a complete Instagram makeover. By the end of this video, you'll have a profile that turns heads and keeps followers coming back for more. Let's get started. 93% of Instagram users judge a person's entire life based on their profile. It's a staggering reality. Your Instagram is essentially your digital first impression, and people form opinions about you from just a few photos and a short bio. Most guys get this wrong. They focus on follower counts or flashy content, thinking it's the key to an attractive profile. But that's not what people are really looking for. When someone checks out your profile, they're assessing your perceived value. They want to see an interesting life, confidence, and what you have to offer. Many men unknowingly sabotage their profiles with common mistakes. Inconsistent posting, low-quality photos, and bios that read like boring resumes are just a few examples. Instead of standing out, they end up blending in. The psychology behind profile assessment is straightforward. People look for social proof, lifestyle indicators, and authenticity. They want to see that you have friends, engage in interesting activities, and present a genuine version of yourself. By understanding these elements, you can create a profile that truly represents who you are and attracts the right kind of attention. The followers to following ratio can significantly impact your profile's attractiveness. Surprisingly, having too many followers compared to the number of accounts you follow can make your profile seem inauthentic or like you've purchased followers. That's not the impression we want to give. For personal accounts, aim for a ratio close to 1:1. This balance suggests authenticity and genuine engagement. To optimize your ratio, start by reviewing your following list. Unfollow accounts that don't add value to your feed, and simultaneously focus on creating high-quality content that will naturally attract followers. Engage with other accounts in your niche by liking and commenting on their posts. This interaction can help balance your ratio and potentially increase your followers. This section is more for the guys who want to pursue Instagram as a career and make content. First up is leveraging user-generated content. Encourage your followers to share photos related to your brand or lifestyle, then feature the best ones on your feed. This not only provides fresh content, but also builds community engagement. Next, consider implementing themed posts. This could be a weekly series, a month-long challenge, or even seasonal content. For example, if you're into fitness, you might have Motivation Monday posts or a 30-day transformation series. This gives your followers something to look forward to and adds structure to your content strategy. Now let's dive deeper into aesthetic coherence. It's not just about using the same filter on every photo. It's about creating a visual theme that reflects your personality and interests. When someone lands on your profile, they should immediately get a sense of who you are and what you're about. So how do you create a cohesive feed that tells your story? Start by thinking about the overall impression you want to make. Are you adventurous, artistic, tech-savvy? Your feed should reflect that. Use color psychology to your advantage. Cool blues might convey calm professionalism, while vibrant reds and yellows could suggest energy and creativity. Now let's explore a strategy that sets influential profiles apart: the Instagram It Boy aesthetic. This approach isn't about perfection or glamour, but rather creating an intriguing profile that tells your unique story. Contrary to popular belief, achieving It Boy status doesn't require a massive following or a lavish lifestyle. The key lies in crafting a profile that piques curiosity and leaves people wanting more. When it comes to your bio, focus on creating a narrative that captures your essence. Instead of listing achievements, use a compelling tagline or a cryptic quote that hints at your personality. Emojis can add depth to your story without using up valuable characters. Here's a counterintuitive tip: be selective with your social media activity. By sharing less, you create an air of mystery that draws people in. This doesn't mean posting less frequently, but rather choosing what you reveal carefully. Diversify your content to showcase different facets of your life. Photo dumps are an excellent way to give followers a glimpse into your world without oversharing. Include a mix of your interests, hobbies, and daily life to paint a well-rounded picture. Use stories to your advantage by sharing aesthetic snippets of your day. A stylish outfit, an interesting location, or a unique experience can all contribute to your It Boy vibe without seeming forced. When it comes to fashion, focus on developing a signature style that translates well in photos but remains practical for everyday life. It's not about expensive brands, but about curating a look that's distinctly you. Consider strategic collaborations with other It Boy profiles or brands that align with your aesthetic. This can expand your reach while maintaining your mysterious allure. Remember, the It Boy aesthetic is about creating intrigue and leaving your audience wanting more. By carefully curating what you share and how you present yourself, you can craft a profile that stands out in the crowded Instagram landscape. Let's wrap this up. The most attractive Instagram profile is one that feels authentic authentic to you. These tips are tools to showcase the real you in the best light possible, but your unique personality is what will make your profile stand out. Now take a hard look at your profile. What's one change you can make today to level up your Instagram game? Maybe it's updating your bio or planning out your next few posts for a more cohesive feed. Whatever it is, take action now.